Hi, today I'm for Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Just to do that, we should first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install and just wait a couple of seconds. After that, we just should open the application and click to enable in settings. Now near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click to OK twice and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now it's just the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard. And we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.